Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas. For the last 8 years, I've been helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on, should I move if I feel discomfort during meditation? Yes, you can shift positions if necessary, but do so mindfully. Consciously adjust your body and pay attention to how the sensations change. This helps maintain awareness and prevents reactive habits. Early on in the meditation process, if you are attempting to sit cross-legged or on the ground or in a more traditional meditation posture, if your body is not used to sitting in this way, discomfort will be a likely event. With that in mind, if you continue to practice, this discomfort will begin to shift, and you will find more comfort and ease in your meditation practice, at least the sitting part. Doing things like warming up, yoga asana, things that open up the hips, postures that open up the hips and lower back are very good for preparing the body for these postures. So while you are starting out, if you are sitting in a posture, for example, Sukhasana, the easy pose, just your basic cross-legged position, initially this may be comfortable, but after some time, if you are meditating for, let's say, 5 minutes, but you are accustomed to sitting at a desk or reclining in chairs, this posture may prove challenging for 3 to 5 minutes. If you are attempting intermediate or more advanced meditation postures, in that event, discomfort will be a part of the process of attaining these postures. I would highly recommend, as I mentioned before, warming up and doing preparatory asana postures in order to prepare, but also practicing some self-compassion, some ahimsa, some non-harm, and be aware that when your body has reached its limit for that particular time in that particular posture, to make whatever adjustments necessary in order to be able to be prepared for the next meditation sessions and onward. Being able to accomplish certain postures is great, but if you make your meditation sessions about these postures instead of about the meditation, you may be missing out on some of the benefits that meditation would offer. And setting aside time to prepare the legs for these postures would be greatly beneficial in this process. Another note, sometimes you are meditating and whatever environment that you're in may be challenging. For example, a very hard floor. I find that moving the feet or legs can prove more painful than leaving them where they are. And let's bring the awareness to the tips of the nostrils, and we'll simply observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we inhale and we exhale. We exhale and we inhale. Be patient with yourself. If you feel uncomfortable, make whatever necessary adjustments. Namaste.